Using a 22mm socket, let's go ahead and remove these lug nuts. Next, remove the wheel. Go ahead and set that aside. Using a 6mm Allen wrench and an 18mm wrench, we're going to go ahead and remove the upper part of the link here. So in the lower part of the sway bar end link, it attaches to our sway bar. There's a nut on the end. When we try loosening the nut, the whole ball joint inside here spins. So we're just going to use some Vise-Grips. I want to try and clasp or clamp this unit here, and then we'll try and loosen that nut. Use an 18mm socket and ratchet. I'm going to go ahead and loosen that nut. I've taken the lower end link. I'm going to go ahead and install the washer. Put that through. Go ahead and take the nut, install the nut. I'm going to throw that down as far as you can. Let's go ahead and repeat the same for the top. Now, we're having a hard time getting the upper link into the strut because of the angle. So what we're going to do, we already have the vehicle supported up on jack stands. Now we're going to go ahead and use your jack, and we're going to raise the suspension slightly. Just going to put the jack under the control arm. I'm going to jack up the control arm, pressing the suspension. Once it goes up, this should help us align this, and the end link pulls right through. Once it comes through, go ahead and install the nut. Let's go ahead and snug this down. We'll go ahead and tighten this up. Okay. I'm going to tighten that down. Let's go ahead and torque our sway bar end link nuts down to 55 foot-pounds. Let's go ahead and repeat for the lower. Go ahead and lower the jack off of the control arm and let the suspension drop down. And go ahead and get your wheel installed. I'm going to go ahead and get all of our lug nuts started by hand, and then we'll snug those down. Go ahead and torque these down to 111 foot-pounds.